So what is Instagram? It's basically like a photo album full of things that, might make you happy or might be inspirational to you, or photographs that you like to look at. But whereas we used to use photographs and put them in photo albums, go on vacation and create a photo album, put all the photos in it. That's kind of what we do, but this is all digital. Everything on Instagram is digital. So you can actually save all these photos. You can actually create categories or photo albums, if you want to call them that, and you can save your pictures to various photo albums with a basic topic. Like if you like dogs, you can create a photo album of dogs and keep everything there, or sunsets or vacation places, or whatever it is that you like to view pictures of. The big difference is that everything is electronic with Instagram. Ishman said they use it sometimes. Okay, good. At least it sounds like most every one of you are at least familiar with Instagram. So bear with me just a minute here. It seems my computer froze for a moment. There we go. Okay, so accessing Instagram, there's two ways that you can do it. You can use the browser version, which means you're actually on your computer using it, or you can download the mobile app and use it on your phone or your tablet. There's an app for Android versions. There's an iPhone app. And like I said, you can use it on your smartphone or your tablet, either way. Most people use the app version of Instagram, and that's only because most everyone's pictures are actually on their phone, and a lot of people haven't transferred those to their computer, so they just access it on the phone. So if they want to upload a picture or something, they can do it that way, and we'll take a look at both of them. So if you've never been on Instagram before, you go to Instagram.com or download the app and open it up. It's going to actually prompt you to create an account. And to do that, all you have to do, you'll see something like this right here. You can create your account with either your email or your mobile number, either one, put in your name, and then you'd create a username and a password. Now, it's very easy to log in with Facebook. If you want to do that, it will connect you with all of the people that you're friends with on Facebook. You'll be able to see all of their accounts. But it's entirely up to you if you want to just log in with Facebook or if you want to create a separate account. It's just a personal preference as to how you want to do that. So once you get your account set up, well, first thing we're going to look at is we're going to look into the profile and show you what the profile is and some things that you can do with that and how to set that up. So let's take a look. Again, my screen froze up. It lags behind a little bit, so sometimes it freezes. Let me let it just a minute here. Bear with me here as we have, computers will be computers. Not sure why it's hanging up right now. Okay. Bear with me while I do a couple of things here to get everything back. There we go. Okay. All right, so this is, once you log in, this is kind of what you'll see here. This is Instagram, the computer site on Instagram. And as you can see, you have a little menu up here at the top. On the app, the menu happens to be at the bottom of the feed, but this is the main feed through here. And the feed is based upon different types of pictures and things that you like to see. And the more you use Instagram, the more it recognizes what topics you like to see, and you will see those topics in your feed. So here's some things on a dog. I follow some dogs and animals. It will give you suggestions on other people that you know that you might want to follow. And so as you can see, I have a lot of different animals. I subscribe to a podcast. This is a podcast that I follow online. And if these have videos going, if you notice there's sound down here where you can actually share the sound, or I'm sorry, you can actually turn it on where you can hear the sound.
Of everything that ever bothered you inside of you. Well, if you collect everything that
I'm going to keep it off for while we go through here for right now, but this is your feed where you see everything. This is, I follow this lady. She follows the Houston Astros I watch. These are all your feeds through here. And as I said, they're based off of things that you click on. The more different things you go, you see. And as you click on different pictures, you'll start seeing more and more of the same things. I get a lot of things like this for inspiration. You can actually interact with any of these. Let's say, here's a feed on positive thoughts and more. This is something that I follow. There's 3 little dots up here where you can actually go in and have some options, the things you can do with this. If you want to send it to someone else, you can copy the link or share it. If you click, for example, on share, it pulls up a box that says, how do you want to share it? Do you want to share it to Facebook? You want to send it to someone individually in Messenger, put it on Twitter? Do you want to email it to someone? So it's very easy to share these things by clicking on the 3 dots right up here and choosing one of these. If you decide you don't want to follow this person anymore, all you have to do is click on follow, and this particular person, which is positive thoughts and more, won't show up in your feed anymore. So there's options for you up here with the 3 little dots. The 3 little dots always means there's more that you can do. If you see a post that you think is inappropriate or something, you can always report it. And by clicking on it, it would report it, which I'm not going to do on this one. So this is your post here. And here are the ways that you can interact with the post right down here. And we'll take a look at this. The little heart means you can like it. If you click on the heart, that shows that you like it. This post has 4,000 posts, 4,000 likes on it. You can actually message the person. Put a comment in here on this. Here's some different people's comments on this picture. If you want to add a comment, you can click right down here on the bottom and just type in something, anything you want. I'll put this in. This is so true. And then you can click on post. And now you've actually commented on that post. Okay, so that's how you can comment on it. Now here's going on, let me see. Let me just close this out. Going back to these little things under here, we've done the like, we've done the comment. This is how you can send it to someone right here. If you want to find someone and share it with them, you can. If I wanted to share this with Kelly right here, this is one of my family members, all I have to do is highlight it, click send, and it will go to her Instagram where I've just shared that with her. So this is a little share. Looks kind of like a little kite, but it's a share button.